Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Iyasi Cahyanti from Business Study Education Program, the Faculty of Economy, State University of Jakarta. I would like to thank you for coming my presentation, especially to my Honorable Coordinator Business Study Education Program, Mrs. Rina Parlina MBA, my first supervisor, Mrs. Dr. Kori Yohana MM, my second supervisor, Mrs. Nadia Fadila, SPD MPD, my examiner who will examine my presentation seminar today, such as Chief Examiner Mr. Dr. Andes Nudin Hidayat MMMSI, Expert Examiner Mr. Dr. Anda Dinca Kriandini MPD, and Secretary Mrs. Teriliana Amanuharpa MM. Thank you very much for taking the time for the examiner today. Today, I will present a scripture titled The Influence of Service Quality and Physical Environment on Customer Satisfaction of McDonald's Salemba Raya in Jakarta student. In this presentation, there are two things that I will present, which are the first is research and discussion that includes response profile, data profile, normality test, linearity test, equates of multiple linear regression, risk hypothesis, testing of version correlation analysis, and testing the coefficient of determinacy. And the second is closing and includes conclusion, implication, and suggestion. Well, let's get straight to it. First, research and discussion. Response profile. First, in the study, research employed 150 respondents based on the criteria of 18 years to 20 years were 10 respondents. Criteria 21 to 23 years were 139 respondents. And criteria 24 to 26 were 1 respondent. Next, the study also employed gender of respondents consisting for 41 men and 109 women. Last, the study also employed the domicile of the respondent, university consisting of 111 is Jakarta. Normality test. Based on the result of the test calculation, Kolmogorov, Smirnov as SPSS software version 22, it can be concluded that all three variables are distribution normal. The significance of the three variables is more than 0 of the 50 comma. Linearity test. X1 2y. Based on the calculation result of the linearity test, it can be concluded the variable of service quality and customer satisfaction has a linear effect. X2 2y. Based on the calculation result of the linearity test, it can be concluded that the physical environment variable and customer satisfaction has a linear effect. Equation of multiple linear regression. Based on multiple linear regression, data can be obtained as follows. The asset Y is equal to 12.933 plus 0.27014 x1 plus 0.339 for x2. Research hypothesis test. Research from the particle significance test table above obtained take count of the quality of service of 4,397 written that the table equal to 1.97623. It can be concluded that the convenience is significant, meaning that there is a positive influence on service quality and customer satisfaction. Meanwhile, but on the above output, it can be seen that the physical environment, the count is 5,311 that the table with 1.97623. It can be concluded that the convenience is significant, meaning that there is a positive influence between physical environment and customer satisfaction. Testing of the person correlation analysis. First, service quality X1 to customer satisfaction Y of 0.4166, which means the level of influence between service quality and customer satisfaction has a significant correlation. Physical environment and customer satisfaction of 0.481, which means that level of influence between physical environment and customer satisfaction has significant correlation. Testing the convenience of determination. X2 2y R-square value of 0.190. This so that the effect of service quality variable X1 on customer satisfaction Y is 19.0%, while the rest is influenced by other variables outside the service quality variable. X2 2y R-square value of 0.231. This so that the effect of physical environment variable X2 on customer satisfaction is 23.1%, while the rest influenced by other variables outside the physical environment variable. The second, closing. Conclusion, there is a positive and significant influence of service quality and customer satisfaction on McDonald's Salemba Raya in Jakarta student, which is 19.0%, while the rest is influenced by other variables not explained. The positive and significant effect of physical environment and customer satisfaction on McDonald's Salemba Raya in Jakarta student is 23.1%, while the rest influenced by other variables not explained. Implication: the thing that companies need to is pay more attention to indicators that have a low percentage and make improvements for the future and still maintain the indicator that have the highest percentage. Suggestion: McDonald's company as well can fast food companies should always carry out a plan activity plan to improve the quality of service and McDonald's physical environment so as to increase customer satisfaction. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.